All right, welcome to Augmented Technologies. This is Jay, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial, just short tutorial on creating a Linux VM in PowerShell. So go ahead, get set up, get ready, and we'll get right into it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a resource group. So we're going to go ahead, type in new AZ resource group, and we're going to name it. I'll tell you what, Linux Resource Group. You can name it whatever you want to make it easier for you. Just remember the resource group name. And what we're going to do is put it in the East U.S. region. The location will be the East U.S. region. Hit enter, and there we go. Our resource group is set up. We have a resource group, so now we're going to go ahead and set up our VM. We're going to type in new AZ VM. We'll type in the resource group, which is Linux Resource Group if you followed me, and then the name of the VM. I'm going to name it my Linux class. There you go. And the location, I'm going to put it in as the same region, US, East US. The image I'm going to use is Debian. And the size, we'll just use a, let me see, a standard, what is it, B2. We're going to put in public IP address name. We'll name it My Linux IP. Then next we'll put in the port. We're going to type in port 80. And then we're going to generate the SSH key. And give that key a name, my SSH Linux key. And then we'll press enter. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put a space right here where the 80 is. So I forgot to space between open ports and 80. So if you get that same error, just go ahead and press that, and then you'll go ahead, enter your credentials, whatever your username and password, and then you should be good to go. And it'll start creating the it'll start creating the VM. Right now it's loading everything up. It's just making the IP, assigning the IP address, making a VM, and oh, okay, there we go. We're done. And as you can see, you have your VM here. We're going to go ahead and switch over to Azure portal so we can check out everything and make sure everything's running. So we'll go ahead and switch over. And as you can see, the resource group that we made, the Linux resource group is here, and we can see our VM. We can see our IP address and everything right here. So we've done it. Went ahead in PowerShell and made a Linux VM. That is the end of this particular video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope it gave you some value. I appreciate if you go ahead, just hit a like or send me a comment or something. Just tell me if you liked it or not. But other than that, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.